Consider the incident that took place on a seemingly ordinary day, December 4, 1985, when a leak of oleum gas from the Shriram food and fertilizer industry plant in Delhi occurred. This was no small event. The leak led to numerous injuries and casualties, prompting serious concerns about the handling of hazardous substances in industrial units. Scene script: enter MC Mehta, an environmental activist who decided to take matters into his own hands. He filed a public interest litigation in the Supreme Court of India, demanding immediate action to tackle the environmental and public health hazards triggered by the gas leak. The Supreme Court, recognizing the severity of the situation, didn't waste a moment. It quickly intervened, directing immediate measures to control the gas leak, provide medical aid to the affected individuals, and assess the environmental impact. Fast forward to December 20, 1986, when the Supreme Court delivered its landmark judgment. The court laid down guidelines and principles for industries handling hazardous substances. The focus was on the absolute and non-negotiable responsibility of industries to ensure the safety of workers, residents, and the environment. The court didn't stop there. It outlined several precautionary measures, including the necessity of obtaining prior approval for handling hazardous substances, preparing on-site emergency plans, and conducting regular safety audits. Moreover, the judgment established the principle of absolute liability for industries engaged in hazardous activities. This meant that industries would be strictly liable for any harm caused by their operations, regardless of whether they took reasonable precautions or not. The case also reinforced the polluter pays principle. According to this, any industry causing environmental harm must bear the costs of restoring the environment and compensating those affected. The MC Mehta versus Union of India case had far-reaching effects. It significantly impacted environmental jurisprudence in India, setting important precedents for the regulation of hazardous industries, the principle of absolute liability, and the responsibility of industries to prevent environmental harm. In essence, the case played a pivotal role in shaping the environmental laws and regulations in the country. So, friends, this was the story of the Oleum Gas Leak case, a significant chapter in the annals of Indian environmental law. It serves as a stark reminder of the responsibility industries bear in safeguarding not only their workers and the public, but also the environment. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.